कुछ शिकायतें हैं उन लोगों से जो वेदांत के बारे में सीधा बात करने लग जाते हैं, और वो भी ये कहकर कि वेदांत वेदों का सार है। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है ना। अपने प्रिविलेजेस की वजह से अपनी दुनिया है, हम जो भी करें हमारी मर्ज़ी, उस वाले कॉन्टेक्स्ट में तो सब कुछ ठीक है ना। पर हर चीज़ का एक तरीका होता है, हर चीज़ का एक तरीका होता है। मैटर ऑफ द फैक्ट, वेदांत भी एक तरीके के अंतर्गत वेदों के अंत में आता है, राइट। द फैक्ट दैट वी आर कॉलिंग वेदांत एज वेदांत इज बिकॉज इट इज़ अ chronological ending of Ved, therefore is called as Vedant. So if you haven't understand what is Ved, then there is no point and there is no chance that you will or can understand Vedant, right? It's a, अगर आपके लिए एक शब्द, एक वर्ड का मतलब कोई इंसान होता है, अगर आप शब्दों को खोलना नहीं जानते हैं, है ना, पहले तो आप शब्दों से ही शुरू करते हैं, दैट यू हैव टू हैव द वर्ड्स. What do I mean by when I say that you have to have the words? Word, right? What do I mean that a word? What is a word? Are you clear about what is a word? Then how what will you do of the fact that a word is yourself? You can't do anything about that, right? You have to understand what is a word, how does that mean, what is its context. So many things to understand a word. I'm talking any word, okay? I'm talking any word. A word, a name, a noun, everything I'm talking, right? Our concepts are not clear. Uh, our our concepts are not clear. We don't know what is a word. हमारी पात्रता, the our capacities are so limited, right? For example, let's try to understand what I've said here with an example. Let's take this, right? This leaf, right? What is a leaf for you? This is a leaf for you, right? It is. If I say what is a leaf, and I said this, right, and I'm gonna remove this now. So see, look at your capacities, which sort of a state of mind you are in. When you use a word, does it have an image for you? And if it has an image for you, then you are limiting yourself. You are not understanding that how does a word work, right? And is there any benefit of using language, and what is it that language is made up of? Is it made up of that we can chatter the whole day? Does it made you use 1,000 words in a day, and the irony is that we don't understand what is a word, right? Just as I gave you the example of that leaf, that if that leaf is a image that has this shape, that has this shape, then you have to understand yourself, right? That why do you think that why is there this image in your head that this is a leaf? What you should do instead? What should be the process instead? When I say leaf, what should be the process that can lead you to the truth of leaf? What is that process? Is that process only the imagining of the leaf, right? If I say leaf, is that the only part that language is supposed to play? Does it only is limited to the shape that you can imagine and that sort? Does it, or is it for something more serious, something more innovative, something else? So let's see what is a word. If a word is something which is hard noun thing for you, then you really have to look at yourself and never go to the Vedant, because you haven't done your Ved part. Okay, so talking about Vedant is like talking that I have eaten, my plate is full because I have eaten the last sixth roti, and you still haven't eaten the more five rotis, so that you can, your hunger can, right? It's very sad that you're talking about, it's literally sad, to be frank, right? It's like you always heard the analogy of कि अगर इवन साइंस भी, अगर आप साइंस को भी देखेंगे तो साइंस भी कोई ऐसे बाहर से तो नहीं आ गई है। आज भी आप जब साइंस पढ़ रहे हैं मॉडर्न साइंस में, तो भी आप वही कर रहे हैं, आप वेदों से वेदांत की तरफ ही जाते हैं, राइट? आप पहले जानते हैं व्हाट इज़ अ मैटर, हाउ इज़ व्हाट इज़ द स्टेट ऑफ मैटर, हाउ solid, liquid and everything, right? And that's what I have tried in my other previous video. The links are in description. That we have to understand, and so is the effort of science today. That science is as well in the same executing parts, right? It has states of matter first, that what is a matter, right? And then when you proceed, you go to the quantum physics, which is observer is the observed. Now the catch here with the modern science is that they don't know. In Vedic culture, when I say Ved, right? In Vedic culture, the thing was that every mantra, every word used to have three sides to it. Okay, it has its Adi Devik side, it has its Adi Bhautik side, it has its Adhyatmik side, right? तो यानी कि what part, right? How part, है ना? The what is your, so every Vedic mantra, Rik, we call those, we call Rik. The shlok, the mantra of Rigved, of Veds, are called Rik. So every Rik has three sides to it. Adi Devik, which is what is being, the factors that is making a thing possible, right? This tree has three parts to it: Adi Devik, Adi Bhautik and Adhyatmik, right? So Adi Devik is कि ये जिस factors की वजह से ये बना, जिस factors की वजह से ये बना, the forces which made it happen. So that is Adi Devik. This is Adi Devik side of it, right? Now you have Adi Bhautik. So this whole thing which you are able to see is the Adi Bhautik side of it, right? कि भौतिकी इसकी कैसी है, how is its physicalities, right? So that is the Adi Bhautik. Now what is the Adhyatmic side of it? Does it have a Adhyatmic side? This is the catch here. It doesn't have a Adhyatmic side of it, right? Or even if it does have a Adhyatmic side of it, it does have a Adhyatmic side of it, but its fluidity is not enough that it can understand its Adhyatmic side. Okay? Because to understand or to get to the Adhyatmic stage, you have to have the fluidity enough that you can understand your own flow, right? In this same chronology comes the humans, that humans can understand the Adhyatmic side of it, right? And the Adhyatmic is that observer is the observed. Just as in my last previous video, we talked about that जब श्वास, right? स्वा का मतलब ही होता है, स्व means self, right? तो when the self is शिव बनती है श्वास, right? क्योंकि श्वास और शिव में ये दो अलग शब्द हैं. These are two different terms, right? You have Shiv, Vas, you have Shiv. And the only difference that you can spot here is the E, right? And it's my exclusive discovery that where did human language formed, and I'm like, okay, now I have all the answers. I can just die. So it can't understand its Adhyatmic side, right? You can understand your adhyatmic side. I can understand my adhyatmic side. Anything which is so fluid can understand, right? The concentration of pran, we call it. You know, the more pran that a system have, a system in India is called as Pashu. Okay, so Vedic culture has its terminologies, it has its advanced terminologies, right? You must have often heard that how a Sanskrit or how Indian words for that matter, right? Bharatiya parampara, the terminologies are very advanced for a reason, right? We discussed in the previous video that how the shabd and earth is being done, that you observe the flow of the breath itself, right? It's not that you uh, observe, but it has its adhyatmic side that you can point out. Okay, क्योंकि word, the adi दैविक is how the दैविक in the sense जो आपको मिल रहा है, right? What you have been given, what you have in that sense, right? So you have this structure, so this is your adi devic side, right? And adhyatmic side is going to be that how the swans is doing, how I as swans is doing this, right? तो शायद आपको ये इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा होगा, राइट? क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारे लोग जो इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं उन्होंने अपनी पात्रता नहीं बनाई है, योग्यता. You know what is a word yogya means? What is yog? So here, if I talk a little bit of science, just that you know what is who is we in our Vedic culture, we don't used to call the scientists doesn't used to call themselves as scientists, they used to call themselves as yogi. And if I break down why, and it makes proper sense that why a scientist should be and can only be called as a yogi, right? So see, look at this. A scientist, you may think, is somebody, as we discussed in my, please do check out the other video, these are the important videos, okay? If you want to understand the fundamentals, if you want to understand what is going on here, then you should be checking those video along with this, right? Continue with this, but do check those out. So a scientist is not, cannot be a person who is talking about the object, okay? Literally, Mahavidya, Mahamaya, Mahamedha, Mahasmriti, Mahavidya, Mahamaya, Mahamedha, Mahasmriti, Mahamoha च भवति महादेवी महेश्वरी. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये कोई पूजा है, ये पूजा है, बिल्कुल ये पूजा है. पर ये पूजा किस चीज़ की है ना? हमें समझना पड़ेगा बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे, कि जब महाविद्या से शुरू हुआ और माहेश्वरी पे जाके रुका. तो गाइज़, एक गिफ्ट है आपके लिए, पूर्वजों का एक मैसेज है आपके लिए, जो वो आपको देना चाहते थे, जो वो आपसे कहना चाहते थे, हमारे योगी. क्योंकि साइंटिस्ट कभी भी योगी नहीं हो सकता. क्यों नहीं हो सकता? और क्यों इस श्रृंखला में मैंने आपके सामने ये कहानी कही कि महाविद्या से जो शुरू होता है वो महेश्वरी पर रुकता है. वाई इज़ इट द केस? क्योंकि एक साइंटिस्ट कभी भी किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात नहीं कर सकता. देयर इज़ नो सच ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट? शव में ही जब ई मिलके वो शिव बनता है, दैट इज़ योर सब्जेक्ट, and that's always going to be the subject. There's no object, and that's what, please do check out in that video how I said that you can only refine the subject. और इसी रिफाइन में आपकी महेश्वरी वाली स्टेज आती है. आप स्टार्ट महाविद्या से करते हो, ओके? अगर आपको ये वीडियो समझ आ रही है तो यू आर ऑन द राइट पाथ. और अगर आपके ये बात ऊपर से जा रही है और आप फिर भी वेदांत पढ़ रहे हैं तो आप प्लीज़ पहले वेदों को पढ़ें। वेदों का मतलब ही है जो आपके पास विद्या है इस वक्त, ओके। अब द प्रॉब्लम इज़ एंड why I feel this is a very big responsibility that people think, or we have had this distorted idea that actually if I say that observer is the observed, it's the end. No, you start from here, okay? When you start from here, you are on the path, you are on the discovery path, and you will be called a sadhak, right? A sadhak. What is a sadhak? You're getting it? What is a sadhak? When I said this is a leaf and you imagined it, you made a image out of it and had it with you. So you think you're a sadhak? You think you're a yogi? No, you think you're a scientist when you have made an image out of it? I'm sorry, this is not how it's done. Okay? राइट अगर आप एक इमेज बना रहे हो तो you have to understand what you're doing, okay? And this is not योग. अच्छा, oh, by the way, do I have to clear that योग has nothing to do with मुद्रा जो होती है? आप कभी ना अपने आप को नोटिस करना कि आप लोग बैठे होते हो, अभी भी जितने भी मैं यहाँ पे जो भी मैं पोजेस भी दे रही हूँ, ये सब मेरे मुद्रा ही तो है। आप जब बोल रहे होते हैं, आप जिस भी चीज़ में जो भी कर रहे हैं, आध्यात्मिक साइड जो होती है वो मुद्रा में ही तो आती है। मुद्रा इज़ नॉट अबाउट कि ऐसे, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू गाइज आर द साइंटिस्ट, ओके, यू गाइज आर द योगीज, तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड डोंट when somebody throw at you, oh you that let's talk Vedant, please tell them, please ask them that we haven't yet talked about Ved, how can we talk about Vedant, right? अगर आपके if you're continuously making an image out of the words, if you're continuously making the image out of the words and not reaching to the Maheshwari part of that word, of every word, okay? वेद शुरू ही वर्ड से होगा ना, वेद का मतलब ही हो रहा है जानना, वेद का मतलब ही है विद्या, तो विद्या तो शब्द से ही शुरू होती है ना। मैं यहाँ पे अपने मेरे जो मोमडन भाई हैं उन्हें भी अगर मैं अपने साथ जोड़ूं, क्योंकि आपकी जो ह्यूमैनिटी है, जो पूर्वज हैं, उनका एक मैसेज है आपके लिए। धर्म कोई ऐसे ही फालतू में चीज़, देयर इज़ अ ह्यूमन विजन, ओके, and the human vision starts with yog, with sadhana of what? महाविद्या से महेश्वरी तक की, okay? So I hope I have shed some light in this video, okay, because we are in so much distortions, and when I say let's get it clear on this channel, I want to make sure that if you come to this channel, then आप कहीं भी ना फंसो। आप I have seen so many people around me, people of my generation, people bigger than my generation, right? Everyone is very smart, right? They can be very smart, बट द प्लेस जहाँ पे वो जाके फंस जाते हैं इज़ दिस गॉड एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट? तो मेरी बस ये छोटी सी कोशिश है कि मैं, अगर आप वहाँ कहीं फंसे हुए हैं, एक डिस्टॉर्शन में हैं, भ्रांति में हैं, तो आप कहीं भी ना फंसे, एंड इट्स ऑल क्लियर फॉर यू। लेट्स गेट इट क्लियर।